Welcome to the AI Director Mode tutorial series. In this series, we're going to break down everything you need to know about Visla's AI Director Mode workflow. You'll learn what AI Director Mode is, how to create a video in the AI Director Mode workflow, how to build your storyboard, how to turn that storyboard into a cohesive generated video, and we'll give you some tips and tricks on how to make the highest quality video possible. Let's start with a basic overview. AI Director Mode is a storyboard-first workflow that creates scene-to-scene cohesive AI-generated videos. Each scene is consistent with the last because Visla references a storyboard you create before generating your video. All the assets you add to your storyboard, including your video style, characters, objects, and environments, will look the same scene to scene. If you're not familiar, a storyboard is a sequence of drawings, illustrations, or images that show what your video will look like before you film. In AI Director Mode, Visla uses a storyboard to reference how you want your video to look and feel. In Visla, the storyboarding process is very easy. You just need to provide or generate visual assets. These assets include characters, objects, and environments, and you choose a preset visual style that perfectly captures your video's tone. To ensure that you know exactly what you're doing, we've broken this tutorial up into 6 chapters. I'll be creating a generic fire safety training video so you can see exactly what I'm doing, how I build my storyboard, animate it, and make revisions in Visla's scene-based video editor. You can follow along or build your own video as we go. In the next video, we'll kick things off by reviewing the Generate AI Video option on your dashboard, the first phase of the AI Director Mode workflow in Visla. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next chapter.